And I've heard it from some of you young people as well. Know that when we all work together, we can make so much more happen than when we work alone.
And the canoes can go into the water. All the materials were harvested here in Waswaganing around our area. So it was only right to have this canoe sit in our waters one time before it goes back to Madison. So we'll talk more about the project as we get down to the lake before we finish shop, before we paddle the canoe. So the name of the project was These Canoes Carry Culture. And these birch bark canoes, we watched G-Money, they do just that. They are a signature of Waswaganing people. They are a signature of our people, our ancestors, from long ago all the way to today. When we say these canoes carry culture, everywhere the Anishinaabe went in this area, they went by Wawasajimon. It was our main way of travel. Everywhere we went, it was by canoe. And at one time, everybody in our community knew how to build these birch bark canoes. So it's my dream that we carry that forward into the next generations and keep this craft and part of our identity alive for future generations to come, because that's who we are. We're Anishinaabe people. We don't have to lose our identity to become educated in the Western world. We can mesh both of them and live strong for future generations and leave a good footprint for our grandchildren. So with that, I'd like to say Miigwech, and we'll be carrying a canoe all, and Carol will be telling you how that's going to go. Miigwech.
Jimani, Iguasa Jimani Kaling, Birch Bark Canoe Building, and the project, These Canoes Carry Culture. This canoe represents approximately 15 months of hard work from students and different people all over the place. Over 1,000 hands and good energy have touched this canoe in the past year. There's been friendships made, and there's been a lot of good feelings around this canoe.